everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. I want to specially thank all my subscribers. I'm so grateful to you all. I love you all so much. Thank you for always being there. Thank you for supporting me. If you are new, thank you. You're welcome to this channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So today I'll be showing you how I made this egusi soup using a different method entirely. In this method, I added the crayfish towards the end of the cooking to add a different flavor. I hope you enjoy it. Keep watching to know how I made it. So these are my ingredients. I have my melon seeds, that is the egusi seed. I have my scotch bonnet pepper, onions, and red bell pepper. The red bell pepper is optional, you don't have to use it. Locust beans, mackerel fish, meat protein, palm oil, crayfish, Cameroon pepper. The Cameroon pepper has a distinctive taste that it adds to every meal. I have my spinach and scent leaves. I love scent leaves as well because of the flavor, that special flavor it adds to your cooking. So now I'm going to blend the egusi and the Cameroon pepper. And I will transfer into a pot. Next, I'm going to blend the pepper. And I'll add to the pot containing the egusi. This is just to pre-cook the egusi. And I'm adding some stock. I normally pre-cook the egusi before frying just to add another taste to my cooking. So I've added seasoning and salt, and I'm going to cook till the water content is reduced. While the egusi is pre-cooking, I'm going to slice my spinach. Next, I'm going to chop some onions. I love using a lot of onions to fry my egusi. Now the egusi is ready to be fried. So to my pan, I'm going to add some oil. Next, I'm adding the locust beans. So I'm going to fry this for about 1 minute to add that special flavor to the oil. Now I'm adding the onions. The onions as well will add an extra flavor to the oil. So now I'm adding the egusi to my flavored oil. going to stir, and I'm going to fry till it is fry for about 5 minutes. Next, I'm adding my fish, some stock, and I'm going to cook for 8 minutes. Now I'm going to add my meat. My meat has already been cooked. And I'm going to cover and allow to simmer for about 7 minutes. Next, I'm adding my spinach, and crayfish. I've added my scent leaves as well, and I'm going to give it a good mix. Doing this gently because of my fish. I do not want to scatter my fish. So I'll keep stirring until the crayfish is well combined together with the rest of ingredients, and I'm going to cover for about 5 minutes. And now the soup is ready, calling for your pounded yam, for your amala, your fufu, or you eat it alone. Remember, egusi soup is very rich in protein and it has a high fat content, so you have to be mindful of how often you eat your egusi soup. So we've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends. If you've not already subscribed, I'll be very grateful if you can do that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.